As soon as I stepped into the Tokyo Tech Expo, the buzz was unmistakable. The entire crowd had gathered around a single booth where the most futuristic gadget in the world was being unveiled. It looked deceptively simple, a sleek silver band called the Nexus X, said to integrate thought-driven controls, full holographic displays, and instant connectivity with any smart device. Wearing it for the first time, I was shocked when a hologram flickered to life, projecting reminders from my calendar and emails in midair, only visible to me. Next, I tested its smart home integration by thinking about turning off my apartment lights in Berlin. The Nexus X instantly executed the command. Traveling to New York, I joined a virtual conference where my colleagues saw my holographic avatar as if I was physically present. Critics worried about privacy, but Nexus X's embedded quantum encryption assured users their thoughts remained confidential. Over the next weeks, I used it to translate foreign languages in real time, draft articles with brain-to-text, and even design a prototype in 3D space with mere gestures. The world was shifting fast. By the end of my review journey, entire cities adopted Nexus X bands for public transport, unlocking gates and paying fares with a nod. The gadget wasn't just futuristic tech. It was society's leap into a seamlessly augmented reality, forever changing how we interacted with technology and each other.